Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to Slay Podcast, speaking in English about problems in your day. I'm Ahsan, your host today, and I'm so excited because we have a very special guest.
Hi guys, my name is Nazif and I am the Student Council President or OSIS leader for the year 2024-2025 in SMP IT Arkan Cendekia.
Yes, Nazif is here with us, but soon he will finish his duty and pass the position to his junior. So, we are going to talk about his experience as OSIS president. Are you ready, Nazif?
Of course, let's go.
So, Nazif, can you share with us what was the best experience you had as OSIS president?
I think the best experience was when we organized the Independence Festival we did last month. It was really fun but also challenging. We had to plan the competitions for the students, even for the teachers. At first, it was stressful, but when I saw everyone happy, I felt proud.
That sounds amazing. But of course, being president is not always easy. What was the biggest challenge you faced?
Good question. The biggest challenge was managing time. I had to balance between OSIS work and my studies. Sometimes I wish I had more hours in a day.
Yes, I understand that. Time is always a problem for students. By the way, Najib, you just said, I wish I had more hours in a day. That reminds me. Let's do a little English learning moment. Today's mini lesson is about wish and hope.
Yes. Many students confuse them.
So here's the difference. We use wish for things that are not real or impossible. Example, I wish I could fly. And we use hope for things that are possible in the future. Example, I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow.
Right. So when I say I wish I had more hours in a day, it means it's impossible. But if I say I hope my junior can continue as his projects well, that is possible in the future.
Exactly. So listeners, remember, wish is for imagination and hope is for real future. Okay, back to our talk. Nazif, what will you miss the most after finishing your job as president?
I will miss the teamwork. I really enjoy working with my friends and teacher. Even though it was tiring, it was worth it.
And what advice do you want to give to the next OSIS president?
My advice is don't be afraid to ask for help. Leadership is not about doing something alone, but work with a team and you will succeed.
That's such a great message. Now, I'm wondering, do you have any hopes to join OSIS again in senior high school? Maybe even become OSIS president again?
Yes, I hope so. I want to stay active in OSIS when I'm in senior high school because I've learned so many things here. If I have the chance, I like to continue being a leader, but it depends on the opportunity and God's will.
That's great. Who knows, maybe we'll see President Nazif again in high school.
Maybe, let's see.
How about your programs in junior high school OSIS? Do you feel there's something you couldn't finish or maybe not as good as you planned?
Yes, I feel some programs were not 100% successful. For example, MPLS last July. We want more students to join the recycling program, but it was hard to keep the spirit alive. I wish I had more time to focus on that.
But that's normal, right? Not every plan can be perfect.
Yes, exactly. What is important that is the next OSIS team learn from it and improves.
Alright, thank you so much Nazif for joining today's episode of Slay Podcast.
Thank you for having me. I hope the next OSIS generation can do even better.
And to all listeners, remember today's English tip. Use wish for something unreal and hope for something possible in the future.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
See you next time in Slay Podcast, speaking in English about problems in your day. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.